Alright guys, take two here. I butchered the first try and got interrupted, so we're going to try this again. This is going to be a little addendum to my common stops, recalls, and fixes. These are two calls that I didn't really mention, and I should have because they do happen. I had a request about it, so we're going to discuss 90 stops and 270 stops. I've been here 3 years and I've had maybe two 270s and maybe 4 90 stops. And every one of the 90 stops was from clutch problems, so we don't really have a huge problem with them. But I just wanted to go over them, and also in the request was to show the cycle solenoid a little bit, where you would pull up on the linkage to engage the clutch. So I'll show you all that. Lane 7 here, I have the deck down at 90 degrees. The clutch is disengaged. I staged this manually. And lane 8 I have all the way down at 270. Setting new pins, which I also staged myself. So basically, this is your cycle solenoid in this box. Be sure, if you can, that the solenoid is covered with this box. We have 220 volt solenoids here, so it's not something to mess around with. Same with the electrical panels. I hate watching videos where they're open. I know it can be a pain to unscrew them and everything, but I wouldn't want to be messing around with that kind of power, so just some safety advice from yours truly. If you look down here, you can see this is the bottom. This is actually the bottom of the plunger, which pulls in to cycle it. If you look here, the clutch lever is sitting on top of this stop right here. That means your clutch is disengaged right now. So basically what I do, go right on the bottom of the plunger here. You have the cover on the top, you're fine, and just pull up on it. And you'll see the stop will move out of the way and that arm will go down. Now your clutch is engaged. That'll re-engage it and should allow it to continue the cycle. I'll put this camera down for 1 second and restage it so I can turn it on and show you. Okay, I'll show you how to do that also if you need to stop the machine. But there you go. You see it's on the stop again. I'm going to fire the machine up. Fire it up, and it's still at 90 degrees. It's not going anywhere. So simply reach over here, lift up on this, and there you go. Completes the cycle. You're good to go. Let's put this back over first flow and shut it off. And it's much the same on the other side. Of course, the solenoid's facing the other way. As I said, I work on, there's some factory A2s, and I've seen some Japanese Brunswick Pinsetters where it's facing the other way. Same deal though. So we're just going to lift up on it. You hear the click, that's the clutch engaging. Complete your cycle. If you look right here, the actuator link, that's what I usually press down on. If you trigger it, that'll pop up. If I do this, and then press down on it, it's going to stop at 90 degrees. See it stop. That's pretty much how I make it stop at those positions if I need it to. But hopefully that answers your questions. I have had a couple times where the kids were back here and pulling up on the solenoid the whole time. And I did have to come down here to the 180 link and push the 180 link forward to get it out of those stops. But normally just pulling up on the cycle solenoid will do the trick. You could also hit the reset button from up front or in the back. Either or. Shut that off so there's a little less noise. Hopefully that answers your questions. The person who sent me the request mentioned he had the same kind of cycle solenoids, so regardless of which way they're facing, they're the same. Just pull up on that linkage. Alrighty, that's about it for this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Any requests, comments, questions, feedback, etc., etc., just send them my way if you would like. Feel free. Just avoid the channel comments for right now because I can't respond to them on my channel. I can't post channel comments on my own channel for whatever reason, some kind of bug or something new that they introduced. So private message or video comment will be fine. I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, thanks a lot. Bye.